In my video tutorial, I will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware called ViT. My video will be solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of the ransomware on your files, and I will give you some recommendations on how you could possibly recover the files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. Anyway, before the ransomware attacks the files, you are able to open them without any troubles, but sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this ViT ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. So it actually reveals this ransom note, and it tells the victims that they ought to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. I recommend that you remove the ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus software, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this goal. Go to the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and once it is successfully installed, start investigating your device. Combo Cleaner will definitely help you to detect and then eliminate all other infections which might still possibly remain on your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.